Good morning. Welcome to today's episode of Calendar, but mostly Number Talk. Yesterday, we looked at the number 15. So can you imagine what we're going to do today? It's not a tough question. That's right, 16. Today is April the 22nd. Yeah, that's right. April 22nd, 2020. So, at the top of your paper, write April 22nd, 2020. April 22, 2020. Or 4, 22, 2020. You know, if you wanted to, you could just write 4/22/20 because it is the year 2020. So if you want to write it that way as well, that's totally fine. When you're ready, put the number 16 in the middle of your page and we'll go ahead and get started looking at this number. I loved seeing your work yesterday, showing me those part whole. Yet another way that we can show those numbers that we haven't done before. So today, I challenge you to try that again. The more often you use those strategies, the more likely you're going to use them when you get to second grade. So put 16 in the middle of your paper and we'll get to work. 16, circle it. Then 2 10 frames. 2 10 frames. But we're not going to quite fill them all up just yet. We're getting really close, though, to filling that second frame up. Now, you know what to do. Take your dots and fill 16 into your 10s and 1s. Into your 10 frame. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. We're so close. We only have 4 more spaces to fill until we filled 2 10 frames. Now, let's do our 10s and 1s chart. 10s and 1s. How many groups of 10 did we fill over here? Only 1 whole group. We're not quite at 2 yet. So there is 1 group of 10, and 1s, remember, are always your leftovers. How many leftovers do we have today? Yesterday, we had 5 leftovers, so today we must have 6. So, we have 6 1s. 6 1s. Now, it matches both here, so we know we did something right. Now, go ahead and start putting your tallies together. Yesterday, we filled 3 groups of 5. 5, 10, 15. And so today, we have an extra one. So let's see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But I'm not done. I need one more. 16. Now, this is going to start our new set of 5. Now, have you ever written 16? You remember yesterday when we had 15? At the end, it's got that same spelling, teen. And before it, you're just going to change what the number is. So if it's 16, we're going to write 6, just like we did when it was the regular number 6, and add teen to it. T-E-E-N. 16. Now we have 13, 14, 15, 16. Do you hear a pattern in there? That they all end in teen? Isn't that crazy? Now, I'm ready to get started on our addition problems. You know what to do. Start at 0. 0 plus 16 is 16. 16 plus 0 is 16. Then move on to 1s. Today I'm not going to write the 0 problems anymore because I feel like you can do that on your own and you've been practicing for 16 days. You should be able to do it by yourself. So today I'll start with 1. And even though that's pretty easy too, because we know the strategy. 1 plus something equals 16. Remember our strategy for the week? Use subtraction. So 16, take away 1 is 15. So 1 plus 15 equals 16. 15 plus 1 equals 16. Then I move on to my 2's. 2 plus what equals 16? Remember, take away 16, count back 2. 16, 15, 14. 2 plus 14 equals 16. 14 plus 2 equals 16. Then on to our 3's. You know the drill. 3 plus what equals 16? Well, all I can do is either 3 count up, or I can do 16 count back 3. That's going to be so much easier. 16, 15, 14, 13. So 3 plus 13 equals 16. 13 plus 3 equals 16. And time to get crazy. I don't know about y'all, but I'm really loving this get crazy section because you never know what I can come up with because I'm a super smart kid. Now, I challenged you to start using your part whole. Now, if I'm drawing my part whole, where am I going to put 16? Is it going to be on the bottom, or is it the whole number on the top? Now, we did this a long time ago, so you should remember that the biggest number always goes in the top piece. If we put it down here, that means we're just adding 16 plus something. But we want our answer to be 16, not to add 16 plus something. So we have to put 16 in the top. Now, if you want to draw a bunch of part wholes and put 16 up top as your reminder, that is a great strategy. So you remember you're adding up to get 16. We've left off at 3, so let's do 4. 4 plus what is 16? Remember my part whole? I can draw tallies and dots and whatever I want in here if I don't want to count backwards. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, now I have my dots in there, but I have to make sure I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I know 4 plus 12 is 16. Now I challenged you. Try as many as you can to equal 16. Draw your part wholes. If you're struggling with the numbers, draw pictures to help you. You can do it.